What's going on? This is Colin. How's everybody doing? I hope you're having a great day so far. I've got a good one. We are in a court that is new to me, and I kind of like this judge, so I'm going to play this clip. There is a defendant taking a plea deal, and he struggles through it. And we've seen plea deal fails before when they can't admit to it. That's not what this is. This is a defendant who can't say yes or no to questions. He just can't. He needs to tell a story, and we're gonna get a lot of face palms. That's all I'm gonna say. This one's fun. Before I hit that play button, you know what to do. Hit the like and subscribe. Do your jump kick backflips. Let's go.
My sentence. Next up is Cedric Cade. Cedric Cade.
This is a plea, Judge.
Yep. Raise your right hand, Mr. Cade. Do you swear or affirm the testimony you're about? Raise your right hand. Do you swear or
Got the
affirm?
handcuffs behind me, Your Honor.
Oh, it's fine. Don't worry about it. Do you swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth under penalty of perjury?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay,
Yes,
state your name.
Judge Aiken. My name, Cedric Cade.
All right. Case number 25C02489, State versus Cedric Cade. He's charged with one count of public indecency. How's he pleading this charge, Ms. King?
Guilty, Your Honor.
All right, the accusation now reads, the defendant, Cedric Deshaun Cade, waives copy of the accusation, lists witnesses, formal arraignment, pleads guilty. Do I have your permission to sign this on your behalf, Mr. Cade? Do I have permission to sign this on your behalf, Mr. Cade?
What'd you say, Your Honor?
The accusation reads, the defendant, Cedric Deshaun Cade, waives copy of the accusation, lists of witnesses, formal arraignment, and pleads guilty. Do I have permission to sign that on your behalf?
Y'all plead guilty for probation when I
Right. But do I have permission to sign the document with your guilty plea on it, on your behalf?
Yeah.
Okay. Ms. King, do I have permission to sign for you?
Yes, Judge.
All right. And
I
Ms.
got-
Ms. Highley, your signature applies to the guilty plea, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Your Honor, before she gets into I asked for credit for time served because I got my case dismissed on simple better.
All right. So, what's the recommendation going to be here, Ms. Highley?
State's recommendation is 12 months probation, 13 days credit for time served, psychosexual evaluation, and terminate upon completion.
And is that what Ms. King agreed to?
That is, Judge. Yes.
All right. All right. So that's what the sentence is going to be, sir. You want to go forward?
What'd you say again, Your Honor?
You want to go forward
For like what?
with your plea?
Yeah, I don't ask for time served though.
I understand what you're asking for. The sentence is going to be a little bit different than that because I'm going to accept the state's recommendation here. You want to go forward, right?
Yeah, I want to go for it, but I'm just saying, like,
There won't be more jail time as part of that sentence on this case. Okay.
I'm saying, like, I've been in here, but I put the items back when I was in CVS Decatur.
Mr. Cade, it's what we talked about, okay? You either are going to accept what we talked about or not, okay? The judge would take the plea as the state and I negotiated, okay? So do you want to go forward with the plea or no?
I'm going forward with the plea, but don't ask for probation, like you said.
That he's already going to give that to you. Don't worry. You don't have to convince him.
You got it. Just answer my question, sir. Okay. Yep, they're mostly yes or no questions. So all I need is a yes or no to most of them. Okay.
All right. Yes or no? Got it, Judge. Got it. Yes or no? Let me put those in my head. Yes, no. All right, I'm ready. Let's go.
So, let's see, where were we? So wrote the guilty plea in the top line of the accusation, signed on behalf of Ms. King and Mr. Cade, both with express permission. Then it says guilty plea entered and signatures applied by the court with express permission. You agree to the use of this procedure for filling out the accusation, waive any objection with regard to the use of this procedure. Ms. King for the defense?
Yes, Judge.
Ms. Highley for the state?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Cade, did you go over the plea sheet with your attorney before I started to accept your plea?
No, I ain't go over it too much.
It's a document that's got a bunch of constitutional rights on it. Do you remember that?
I remember, but at the same time, I got a citation.
Okay, all right. So back to what I said originally, or what I said a minute or two ago. I'm going to ask you a bunch of yes or no questions, and I mostly just need a yes or no. If I've got questions about your response to the yes or no question, I'll ask you, but I doubt I will. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. We're back. Yes or no? Yes or no? Okay. It's in my head. I got you, Judge. Let's go.
All right. So did you go over the plea sheet with your constitutional rights on it with your lawyer?
No, I ain't go with no
Did she go over
constitution.
some constitutional rights with you?
Yo, I was talking on the phone with her, man.
Right. And she went over some constitutional rights, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
And did you understand all those constitutional rights?
Yes, sir. I understand, sir.
And do you in fact waive them?
Yeah, I weighed what weighed me automatic plead guilty. What you saying?
No. Okay.
You know what I'm saying? I plead guilty for what I did, but I ain't
Got
really.
you. So you do then waive those constitutional rights because you're not going to invoke them. You're entering a plea, right?
They don't say I'm entering a plea. That's all.
Got you. Do you waive your constitutional rights that your attorney listed off for you? Just need a yes or no.
I waive for probation.
Okay, so you do waive them, yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Ms. King, do you stipulate to a factual basis for the plea?
I do. Yes, Judge.
Now I'll find that there is a factual basis for the plea. Mr. Cade, I need a response to each of the following questions. Again, these are just yes or no questions. First of all, are you presently under the influence of alcohol, drugs, or any prescription medicine, or suffering from any impairment that would affect your ability to understand the proceedings today?
Your Honor, I just got out for a couple weeks ago. The same
Got
county.
it. Just stick with me on the yes or no question.
Taking
Okay?
Depakote medicine. I ain't been doing no drugs.
Got it. Just okay. So just cold
I've been in
medicine,
her
right?
medication. Yeah.
Okay. All right. That'll work. Have you had enough time to speak with your attorney, Ms. King, about your case, the allegations against you and your plea?
Have I spoke to who?
Have you had enough time to talk with your lawyer?
No, I ain't having enough time.
You want to talk with her some more?
Yeah. Well, I'm taking probation. That's what I'm saying.
So, okay, got it. So,
oh, that's what I'm saying. She offered me probation. That's all I'm taking.
well, she's not offering you anything. The state's offering you that, but I need to get on if that's what you want me to do, sir.
I'm going by the state.
Got it. So, one more time. Have you had enough time to talk with your attorney?
No, I ain't having no time to talk to her.
You want to talk with her some more?
Yeah, I want to talk to her some more about that information. I'm trying to see what they waive it, talking about, like, you know what I'm saying, on the type of information.
Why don't we just go ahead and do that? Ms. King, let's make that phone call happen right now, and hopefully we can bring the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 additional questions I have home to complete the plea, but 6 more questions to go.
Okay, Judge, do you want me to just call him right now and then?
Yeah, let's do that.
Okay, why not?
It's my only calendar today, so it's fine.
That's a spirit, Judge. We got all day. We got all day to do this. All right, after about a 20-minute phone call, they're back. Yeah, I don't really want to make fun of this guy. I don't think he really understands. He said he doesn't know what the word waive means, and then the judge kept saying it. I don't know what to do at that point. I mean, he's like, waive. Yeah. Do you want to talk to your attorney? Okay, let's go.
So, Mr. Cade, have you now had enough time to speak with your attorney about your case, the allegations against you and your plea?
Yeah, I talked to her already.
Okay. And you've had enough time, right?
Yeah, I had enough time.
Okay. You have certain constitutional rights: right to a trial by jury, right to remain silent, not incriminate yourself, right to confront witnesses against you, right to be presumed innocent until proven guilty, right to testify on your own behalf, the right to subpoena witnesses and compel the production of evidence in your case, the right to be found guilty beyond a reasonable doubt, and the right to an appeal after trial. Do you understand that by entering your plea, you are giving up, waiving all of these rights?
Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor.
Has anyone forced, threatened, or promised you anything in exchange for your plea?
Oh, no, sir.
So you are entering your plea freely, knowingly, and voluntarily, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
And because entering a plea can affect immigration status, I do need to ask whether you're a United States citizen.
Yes, Your Honor.
And I do need to inform you, any habeas corpus petition challenging your conviction is going to need to be filed within 1 year of today. With that, I'm going to enter a guilty plea to the one count of public indecency. Ask state for its recommendation.
Yes, Your Honor. State's recommendation is 12 months probation, 13 days credit for time served, psychosexual evaluation, and terminate upon completion.
Any response or opposition, Ms. King? Ms. King, you're muted.
Yeah, I said that so confidently on mute. No, Judge, that is as negotiated.
Okay. Sentence gonna be 12 months, 13 credit for 13, $29 court costs, waive all probation fees, psychosexual evaluation and treatment is recommended. And close the case, or no, yeah, and close the case upon completion of the terms. 12 months, 13 credit for 13, $29 court costs, waive all probation fees, psychosexual evaluation and treatment is recommended. Close the case upon completion of the terms. That'll be my sentence. Thank you. All right, next up, I've got Dedrick Clark.
All right, we got through it, guys. We got through it. This was just a fun, quick one. All he had to do was learn how to say yes or no, and I guess he figured that out. Yep, just a short one on a Sunday afternoon. It's been a 3-day weekend. You guys know it's tough to find good content when there's this many breaks. 3 days. It's hard. So I had to go into the vault and find this one. Luckily, I found it. Again, hopefully you enjoyed it. Hit that like button if you did. Until next time, bye.
Dedrick Clark has been